This has been a very interesting conference because it touches on a big priority both for the European Union that I represent here in India and for India, which is how do we transform our universities and to what extent making international student mobility and projects brings value and quality to our higher education. And it has been, for me, very enriching to be here, be able to share the experiences of the European Union and learn from the experiences here in India. My best takeaway from the session is the commitment that I found here in universities such as Symbiosis to really focus on international mobility and international students coming and Indian students going abroad, not just to gain experiences that can help you in the workplace or so, which is very important, but also to produce global citizens, which can be active in their communities, but with a global conscience. And I think that has been very interesting for me to see such a commitment on the part of so many vice chancellors and staff. And I think the university here in Symbiosis is a great example of that.